friend. This is a false preconceived notion among so many people. HR, in my opinion, is something you have to be really good at because at the end, you're dealing with people.
Exactly. Before any further chit chat, let me welcome you all for today's event, Level It Up. Good afternoon, one and all present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to extend your very warm welcome on the behalf of Nexus Family, the HR Club of Amity School of Business, for today's an outstanding event.
We are overwhelmed to have Artistic and Kadam Colors today as our sponsors for the event. Before introducing them, I would like to thank them for their valuable contributions. Our first sponsor is Artistic. The store is owned by Dipaksha Malik. She is a young entrepreneur, also a student with multiple talents, who is inspiring all of us in so many ways. She owns an art store from where you all can buy aesthetic art and craft creations, which can also add up to your decor. Our next sponsor is Kadam Colors. Kadam Colors was founded in 1962 with a strong focus on environmental preservation. They develop non-toxic formula dye pigments that do not require any preparation. Their unique dye colors come in tie-dye kits that include everything you will need to get started dyeing right away. And guys, one more request to follow them on their social media handles. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. I will be disclosing to you the most exciting part of this event, the prizes. The participant who receives the first place in this competition, that is our ultimate winner, will be receiving a tie and dye kit from Kadam Colors as well as an initial page design from Artistics. The second position holder will be awarded with an amazing poster or painting from Artistics. The third position holder will be receiving a voucher from the Artistics. Now, not taking much of your time, I would like to wish you guys best of luck. Thank you.
Now let us take this event. For example, we had to assign roles, make department heads, and provide guidance.
Ensuring timely completion of all tasks, being aware of the difficulties faced by other organizers.
Yes, and the fact that all of these duties are a part of HR professional jobs makes it pretty much clear that it is not a piece of cake.
And so we have HR in every field today. Because let's be realistic, no business can run without an HR department. Also, guys, in my opinion, HR people are artists. After all, managing different people with unique personalities is an art.
Agreed. कोई बच्चों का खेल थोड़ी ना है.
तो देरी किस बात की? Let's see कि ऐसा वो कौन है जो आज के इस इवेंट में बाजी मार जाएगा. And guys, even if you don't make it, no need to lose hope because we all will be meeting for many such brilliant events in the coming future.
Do you know that HR makes the life of employees really difficult by always taking the employer's side?
What? Really? मुझे पता ही नहीं था. That's sad.
She's just pulling your leg. In fact, this is a common myth about HR. By the way, HR is the only department that solves the issues that people face in the organization because firstly, it's their duty, and secondly, they realize the importance of keeping people happy in the organization.
Sadly, there are so many myths about the human resource department. But do not worry, guys. जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है हमारे पास उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी हैं. We have come up with the first round सच का पर्दाफाश.
But, there are guidelines for the event you need to follow. Participants must enter their own name used during event registration. It is advised to all the participants to be aware of the limited time given to answer each question. After the first round, 50% of the participants will be qualified. And after the second round, more 60% of the participants will be eliminated. Any queries will be handled by our organizing team. Feel free to text anytime. Thank you.
Also, guys, just a quick tip, avoid Googling because it's a time constraint game. So please.
Googling won't help. So it's a time to see how many of you know the reality about this field and how many of you believe in the myth. Don't worry, guys. I'm sure that after this round, we all will be familiar about the actual reality. Various myths and facts related to HR, and students would have to guess if it's true or not. Every participant will get a chance to play the quiz. After this round, the top 50 participants will be qualified for the second round. We can start the round. Akshay, please share the screen. Sure. We are waiting for you all, guys. And we will be sharing the link of the quizzes in the chat section as well as on the group. You can join from there too. We are waiting for you guys.
And if the link isn't working, we'll share a code and you can just go to quizzes.com and you can just type this code and it will take you to the quiz.
Yes, and the code for the quiz is 169211. I'm again saying the code is 169211. I can see the participants and I'm going so excited.
We already have 10 participants.
Yes,
Wow,
we'll appreciate
people
if you
are so
join with your
fast.
original name because we'll be writing these names on your certificate, so it will be really helpful.
Yes, please
And
make
what
sure.
you guys thinking that is round going to be easy for the people?
I think people
I
are
think
pretty
it will be
smart.
easy for them.
Yeah, they'll be able to cope up.
Yeah, I see. This round is all about myths and facts, and I know that one of the myths जो बहुत ज़्यादा common है कि HR वालों का काम ही सिर्फ होता है recruit करना, उनका कोई काम नहीं है.
That's completely wrong.
Very
By the
true.
way, all the problems in the organization. It's not only recruitment.
Yeah.
Yes, Urvashi, you want to say something?
Hello,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you're audible.
Is quiz started?
No, we are waiting for you guys.
Yes, we are just waiting.
Okay, cool. Just bring in a group once quiz is started.
Sure.
We are starting, like, can you see the code on the screen?
Yeah, actually,
You just-
I already registered there. I entered my name, and after that, I'm not getting
Okay.
any option to start the quiz.
Sanskriti, there's someone in the lobby. Can you add them?
Yeah, wait. I can't see anyone. I think someone already let him in.
Excuse me, team.
Yeah, Urvashi, go ahead.
I entered my name over there, but I'm not getting how to start the quiz. Can you guide me?
Yeah, it will start from our end only. You just need to stay there. Don't worry.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
You will get
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
we're waiting for more participants to join. We will be starting in 2 minutes. Not 2, but 4, 5 minutes. I can see 56 participants who have
Guys who
joined.
are joining us right now, there's a link on your screen and a code. You guys can join the quiz and we'll start in a few minutes.
The
Please,
code
guys,
is 169211.
We are waiting
Yes,
for you guys. We are so
Obviously.
excited for
Guys,
you.
please join fast. We are waiting for you.
No problem, Nikita. They can join us. कोई बात नहीं होता है.
You're gonna get a question
Yeah,
and
yeah.
few, yeah. So it'll be easy.
We have 73 attendees right now and almost 60 participants for the quiz. Guys, please hurry up. We are waiting.
Come on, guys, show some enthusiasm.
Don't worry, guys. Don't be scared. The questions will be so basic that I know that our participants are so knowledgeable that they're going to get.
They'll answer.
But it's a time based, and it is a based of who will be clicking the answer first, will getting the most score. Two.
Yeah, so you need to be quick and you need to be right.
Correct.
Yeah.
Buckle up, guys.
Come on, guys, who all are left for joining, they can join. Sanskriti, can you please drop a message in the group as well?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Those
Yeah.
who are left can join. I am again sharing the code with you all. That it's 169211. While making the question, even I got to know so much about HR. Being an HR student, there were some things that we don't know.
Exactly. I mean, even before I joined HR, there were many misconceptions even I had about HR, which I got it cleared by the teachers. So
And
I
HR
can
is
totally
one
relate to you, Harleen.
which is ever evolving, right, Ms. Khan?
So just
Yeah.
don't hate for playing.
Exactly. In the past, we used to know that the HR people are only the person who are recruiting. But as now, we are not the type of people who are only recruiting. We are the people who are developing the employees. We are training the employees. We are doing the stress management to the employees. If the employees are having some problem related to mental health, it can be any type of conflict or problem they are having. We are
Crisis
always there.
management. Yeah.
Exactly.
Anything and everything is included in HR. Guys, there was another myth like only women should join HR. I think we all have heard this once in a while. And we all know it's a myth. Even guys are pro at HR.
You know, Sanskriti, I joined HR because I was like, लड़कियों का scope है HR में. Let's go.
It's not like this abhi ke time pe.
Exactly.
Seriously.
Now I'm getting to know it.
Even I can see that we have so much of knowledgeable people in our class too. Like Akshit is there Agraj is there, who are so knowledgeable about HR and who are so good in the stress management to be specific.
Right.
I think we can start in 2 minutes, guys. If you are not here, you can join it now.
I think we should start because we have around 68 attendees and already 70 participants are there. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Guys, everyone's gonna get the certificates. Don't worry about it. Participants would get additional prizes, but certificates are for everyone. Yeah.
We can start it.
Yeah, we can start it.
I think we should start.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
There are people joining.
I think people are. Yeah, let's admit them and then we can start.
We can wait. People are still joining.
Wait for a minute or so.
I am honestly in love with the enthusiasm that we have on the group. People are going crazy.
Yeah, sir.
I hope to see the same in the quiz. Guys, buckle up.
So excited. We wish you all a very good luck for the game.
I think Nikita, you must start now. I mean, it's already 39 now.
Yes.
Nikita?
Yeah,
Muskan, let's begin with the quiz.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
sure. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you must start now. Yeah. How many participants do you have now?
Ma'am, we
I'm
have
75.
So we can. Yeah, I think that's good number. We can start now.
Ma'am, we have started.
Yeah, continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the first question, guys, is HR people are only eligible to make
People have
recommendations.
guessed it so quickly.
Yeah. Before we even ask the question.
No, it will be okay. So Chandan is Nidhi is on top. Then we can see Chandrika there. Okay, it was a tricky one for the participants. It was a tricky
For
one.
sure. More than 50% of them were kind of wrong.
Even we got surprised when we got to know about the answer.
Exactly. So the next question is, guys, human resource manager is not involved in policy making. Do you guys think it's a myth or fact, Muskan?
I don't want to tell the answer. It
Guys,
can be.
trust me, even we were all confused while making these questions.
It can be.
I don't know about this. I don't know. Yeah.
Whoa, the leaderboard literally.
1 second. Nidhi is still leading on the top.
So, do you guys think HR is accountable for at least half of a company's growth? Let's see what will be the result.
These guys are so fast.
Quick, yeah.
I think we gave them a very pretty
Can I
easy
give them a
question.
hint about this question?
No.
No.
No, Muskan. Otherwise, they'll get it. It's pretty easy.
But our participants are so like fast in answering the question that
They are
they
literally
don't
on
need
fire.
they don't need the
Your
hints
help.
and all.
They right.
So Nidhi is still
Satyashi's on
leading,
sixth
guys.
now.
Buckle up.
But Satyashi's on 6th. I can see her. If I'm correctly pronouncing her name, so sorry if I did wrong.
Guys, please excuse us if we'll mess up your name.
HR is a bunch of sad with no sense of humor. Come on, guys, Priyas. We have Priyas.
I mean, that's the most general hint we could give. People are really quick, man. It's already 68.
I'm excited for the leaderboard. Nidhi is still leading.
Nidhi
Gunit is
is
second and
consistent
Ishita is on
and
third.
Umang is on 4th. Next question.
Those who have
People are doing pretty
those who are
great.
wrong, it is a myth.
So, do you guys think HR is not for the people who are faint of heart?
I can say that I am a little bit type of that person when it comes to some situation.
I kind of switch between both roles.
Exactly.
Practical and emotional.
It's exactly.
But I sometimes need to be both. Sometimes practical, sometimes emotional.
I think people are going to get confused in this one for sure.
Yeah.
See,
Very
I
few
told
have
you.
guessed it correct. Very few.
But they are smart enough, like those people. Okay, guys. HR managers believe that Tuesday is the most productive day of the week.
Come on, this is the most trickiest question that I can ever see in my life. This is the most trickiest question that I can see. I can see that people are taking
their time. Guys,
or I can
trust
see that
me.
the screen is.
Don't Google it, please.
Googling won't help you.
Exactly. Okay, so there is a change in the leaderboard.
Change in the leaderboard. Umang on the 3rd position now, and thereafter. This was a 50-50. So recruiters are likely to look at a candidate's social media profile. I mean, not sure about the recruiters, but we surely stalk people a lot. People are really quick, I must say.
Sorry to interrupt.
Time's up, guys.
Dipasha Malik, the attendee, she's a presenter.
Oh, we have Umang in the 2nd position, and now Ishika is on the 3rd.
Wow.
Nidhi is keeping up with the pace pretty good. Right?
Yes, she is pretty persistent. All HR departments function in the same way. Guys, what do you think?
I don't think so.
Not really sure about this.
Okay, so did I give the did I give the answer?
Maybe.
I think the procedure is same, but obviously approaches are different.
Yeah.
Yeah, person to person.
There are few people who are not able to answer it, and the times are up.
My God. Okay, Aditi in the 1st position now.
Oh, that was a game changer. guys, do you think HR is a substitute for communicating with your colleagues, or is just for the superior or subordinate? Trust me, this is really confusing. Don't go with the statement straight away.
True.
Exactly. Right, Bhavika. 6 seconds left.
Come on, guys, we are waiting for you all.
Let's see the leaderboard.
I'm excited, but I think that maybe we'll. Okay, so
Oh, wait.
Vineet is on
now we have
first.
Gurneet.
Nidhi
Nidhi
is
is
on
again.
second.
Nidhi is again on second
Congratulations,
position.
Vineet. I am seriously happy by your excitement and your knowledge. To be honest, I'm so happy.
Here is our last question for the first round.
So, do you think interviewees wearing blue are more likely to be hired? I always thought black was the most attractive color. What do you guys think?
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe actually black or white.
Can be true or it can be a myth. I'm not sure.
No, it's
It can be or can be
Yeah.
not a type of thing.
Yeah.
So sorry, guys, we are not going to show the leaderboard right now. Akshat, please unshare the screen. Thank you.
okay.
We'll be sharing the names of the students, participants who are going to the second round in a few minutes while the back-end team prepares the result.
Exactly. So, Jasmine, we should not have kept such easy questions. I mean, see the number of people answering correctly. I mean, I did not expect this level of enthusiasm.
Come on, the questions were not easy, but our audience is knowledgeable. I expected this, but at the same time, I'm also overwhelmed. I cannot wait for the second round.
Before
So
that,
that
I would
is-
like to invite our first sponsor, Artistic, Dipasha Malik, the founder and the CEO of Artistic.
To share her valuable experience. It's a humble request if you're here, Pasha. I think she is facing some problems.
So guys, any one of you can just share some things about what is Artistics?
Yeah, so Artistics is all about art and craft. I think that she is here. And if I'm not sure, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah, she's
Just
Yeah, hi.
No
Hi,
problem.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Okay,
Hey,
afternoon.
Dipasha.
Dipasha Malik
Hi.
this side. I'm owner of Artistics, and I would like to thank Amity Noida for inviting me here. We are really honored to sponsor your event. And talking about my small biz, which I created 4 years back, Artistics on Instagram, and today we are here selling all kind of paintings, hand painted wooden work, resin products, fluid arts, customized products, and organizing workshop for students. We also sell paintings offline in Delhi Hat, Red Fort, and other government-owned markets. Anybody interested can DM us on Instagram or call us to place orders. Thank you so much. Best of luck, everyone, and to all the winners, your gifts are waiting.
Thank you so much, Dipasha, for your valuable words.
If you don't mind, I would like to ask something. Like, how has the journey been? Like, how was it?
Not that easy. Yeah, hard work is every time required. So yes.
And also, it is so inspiring for all us as a student to be inspired by you as you are a student. Also, I can guess it up.
Yes.
And
Thank you.
to share something special, I know Dipasha Malik in person, and she's such a hardworking girl. I know, and I can see every time that she's working so hard in her work. She's putting 100 of her in a career what she's making, and I seriously hope that that what she's doing right now will go in the height.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, what you guys think? Like, do you enjoy the first round? Was it so hard for you all to guess, or it was a moderate for you all?
I don't
Or
know if it was hard, but I'm pretty sure it was really fun. I honestly enjoyed it.
It was fun. It was
I
actually.
enjoyed it too. What do you think, Rishika? Was it easy?
I believe that it was pretty smooth for everyone because they were really quick in answering to all of these questions and they really enjoyed it.
I think that the results are ready. So it's our pleasure to announce the result for the first round. So we will be sharing the list of the participants who are going for the second round in the screen as well as in on the chat box and on the group you can see. And congratulations for you all who are qualified and those who are not qualified. Please don't be disheartened. You guys were brilliant. Akshay, can you share the
Definitely. I mean, they were really quick
possible?
with answering the questions. Definitely smart people.
Please, Akshay, can you please share the screen if possible?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Sure, no problem. Sorry. I can list the people's name from the WhatsApp group. The first is Nidhi Sharma, second is Janvi Bhair, Guneet, Hetvi, Soumya, Ayan, Aditi, Shruti, Harshit, Satyasheel, and I'm so sorry if 11th number. I'm so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Can someone else pronounce it? I will surely be
I
fumbling
think
in that.
it's Alagwa Bana. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing
I'm
it
so
right.
sorry
Please
for
pardon
that.
us.
I'm so sorry. I'm Anjali Rani, Ayushi Rastogi, Mohammed
It's
Mehboob
Arushi
Khan.
Muskan. Arushi
So sorry.
Rastogi.
Sorry. See, I told you
That's
I will
okay.
be fumbling. And then Priya, Swastika,
Don't worry, we have it.
Priyanshi, Umang. Okay, so congratulations, you guys.
Congratulations. And none of you all qualified.
We'll take in
And it's
40 of you guys. We have just 15 up here. We'll be sharing other names as well.
Thank you so much for being so participative and please keep up with this throughout the event.
We are
Guys,
so
those who
proud
are
to
not
have you
going in
all.
the second round, please be here as an audience. Cheer for your people and enjoy the event.
True,
Yeah, I'm
true.
sure you're going to have a lot of fun, even though you only taking part.
Exactly. Also, you're going to get so much of knowledge by being the participant also as an audience. So we can start with our second round too. If anyone has any query to question, they can ask.
Guys, don't worry about the certificates. We'll surely give that to each one of you.
So we can start with our second round.
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, just make sure who all are going for the next round join in the second round.
Yeah, it's our request. We can't forcefully do that, but it's our request for the only participants who have qualified for the second round to go to participate that. We can start our second round.
Yes, go ahead, guys.
Rishika, you want to speak?
I was just unmuting myself. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with our second round. Kuch to Garbar Hai. In this round, students would be provided with fill-in-the-blank statements and jumbled words would be a hint. This will consist of an interactive round again where we will select 50% of the participants according to the leaderboard of the quizzes.
We will be sharing the code now on the screen. You can go and register yourself for the second round. It will be a very interesting one. Seriously, the fill in the blanks, you have to be quick. I know during the COVID time, not during the COVID time, but as a generation, we are so fast in typing. So I can see that the people will type so fast. Yes, Tia?
I got disconnected. I don't know who has gone to the second round.
No problem, Tia. You can cross-check your name in the list and you can
Okay,
join
I'll
there.
just, should I just go ahead with the names to make sure they are joining?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, anyone just confirm from the list? Okay, we have Ishita Gupta.
We have 35 participants till now. By coming to 40, we can start. No, we can wait for
Yes,
1
we
minute
have 40.
more. We can wait for 1 minute more. I think that like us, the participants are also very. We can see. I told you we can see 43. No problem. No problem. It is great if you all are joining. No problem.
Kia is going ahead. If she had a doubt, she's going ahead in the second round.
Exactly. We have shared the link, and I'm again sharing the code by you all. It's 141642. I'm again sharing the code is 141642. Those who have all not participated or who are not registered in the second round can register. Only those who are qualified. It's our humble request. I think we can start in 1 minute.
Yes.
I think we can start now.
Yeah, sure.
And we will be sharing the hints too with you all, as some question can be tricky for you all.
Stan is really eager to share the hint.
Yeah. See, there are many students who are not in HR department.
Yeah,
Who are not our management students. The first question is complaint brought forward by an employee is. It can be a tricky one for you all, but a little bit of hint that I can give you is from G. The word is starting from G.
You got it all there, Muskan.
See who?
It's easy now, Muskan.
Yeah, I can. The first question can be an easy one.
Yeah, going.
Don't ruin the game for them.
So
the answer is Grivyans. So the leaderboard we can see Sonalika and on top. Guneet is still leading on second, like in the past round.
In the
also.
first round.
Yeah.
That is, go on, guys.
People are honestly really smart.
So true.
So the second question we have.
That is above and beyond the normal paycheck of the receipt. This question, this thing is very exciting for all the employees.
What is something that they get above their salary? Like additional something.
Yes, Yash, you have any problem?
It's really easy.
Such an easy one.
Really easy, yeah.
Yash, do you have any problem? You can speak.
I think there's something in the chat box, Muskan. Can you just
Okay, so
sure?
the leaderboard is
on the first position.
Tilted.
Next question, guys.
Training programs aimed at younger workers from school-age students to postgraduate. I think this is the thing which every student should do to ace in the future.
Exactly.
I think we all have been through this.
Should know the answers.
We have created a LinkedIn account.
We have made the LinkedIn for this only. We have made the link for this only.
Exactly.
Like we are always there. Please, we are interested for that. Please, we are interested for this. So the answer is internship.
Yes.
I wanted to give a hint about internship, but otherwise it would be really evident.
Then people are going to guess it.
The top.
Most of the people have correct. You guessed it.
Yes.
Someone in the WhatsApp group have said that it's not internship, it's 3 months student.
So this is something that is paid at the time of retirement by the employer to the employee for the services that is rendered by him during the period of employment. Muskan, no hints this time.
Even I am confused by this question. Even I'm thinking in my head that, do I know this answer?
It is good.
I know this answer. Should I say? Should I say?
No,
you can say it after the time's up.
Right, let's not spill it out now.
It's gratuity.
Okay.
Yeah, it was gratuity.
Oh,
I can see Aditya Vikram on top, Nidhi on second, and
Nidhi is again on second.
Let's go
If
ahead.
he's like, position to chahiye, price to chahiye.
We're also seeing different names popping up every time, which is a good thing, right?
Yeah, these are the guidelines to keep all the activities within a set of established boundaries.
I think this is really easy. People are really quick. See?
Yeah, but there are few people who are not answering. They are not
I
getting
thought
enough
people find
time
it
to
difficult,
answer.
but I
Our
guess I
audience
was
is very
wrong.
smart.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
I know this answer.
Nikita is very excited to disclose all the answers. Nikita, shh.
Nikita
I
wants
wish I can
everyone to
participate.
have the
I want that
have the
first
winner.
prize.
No,
Even
you're not gonna get. You are not smart
seriously.
enough. Our participants
Like,
are.
I know.
I really
I
wanted
know.
to share something personal in a group that we were having before. That all the organizing team
Guys,
was
be quick.
so
The time's
envy
up.
of the first prize winner that they're going to get the tie-dye kit, and we all wanted that, and we are so excited that
Yeah.
why can't we have it?
We have Aditya
Aditya is on first.
Still on this position, right?
Yes, Vanshika, you have any problem? Okay, so I think that she might have did it by mistake.
So, guys,
Introduction
this
of
is
a new
some.
employee. Sorry, Sanskriti, you can speak.
No, you are. Go ahead, Muskan.
Introduction of a new employee to the job and the organization. Okay, the word is starting from I. I'll give another another hint.
Muskan.
So sorry, but see, I really want
Muskan,
every.
even if you give hints, no one will
Guys,
share
this
their
is really
prizes with
easy.
you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
So
really don't want the. I
don't
really
bother
don't
them.
want. I really don't want the prize. Like even
Oh,
even
really?
after I won the prize, I can't get it. So there is no such a question like, okay, can I have it or
Guys,
not?
I can
Yeah, we
recall a minute
know
ago
that.
Muskan was in envy with the participants who will win the prize.
Yeah, I am. I'm still, but I can't change the thingy, right? I
Yeah,
can't
it's
change
okay.
that.
Yeah,
I
true.
understand. We understand. Time's up.
Time's up, guys. I think this was a pretty easy one. Even if you're not from the HR background, we all go through this. So leaderboard is continuously changing, but the first four people are pretty consistent. Next question. A training where companies' own expertise and resources are involved. Oh, this is the easiest one. Trust me, guys.
I think people have guessed it.
Exactly.
You can see by the answers they are giving how quickly.
Come on, buckle up, guys. This is an easy one. This I'll say it's easy.
This is the easiest one, Harleen.
Yeah, exactly.
And the most favorite question of our team member Akshit.
Akshat was the one when we were doing the run through. He was the one who was giving the answers to everyone. Because he is the one who made it in few.
Yeah.
He's like gift भी मैं ही लेके जाऊंगा फिर prize भी मैं ही लेके जाऊंगा.
Exactly. You all can
Just
see
make-
in the group. You all have seen in the group also that he was like मुझे चाहिए. I'm excited to see the leaderboard now.
Oh,
Nidhi is on
Nidhi is on
top.
the top.
Congratulations.
Niharika and Aditya.
That's nice.
But we can see Nidhi is still on the first, second, or third position. She is not going away from that.
Nidhi,
She's
can
not
first
giving
remind
up.
that I won the tie-dye gift and
So
I
guys, this
also
is the
won the
really
front
basic
page
question.
initial.
Yeah, this is the really basic question. Like, not
What is
talking
the
about
first step
HR.
in management process? If you are a commerce student or if you are in a management,
Yeah.
this is the first line that every management student gets to listen in the first semester.
If you
I
want,
think
you
Not
even
even
can
in the
go and
management,
check
but
your
who all are in
business
college are
studies
listening
books.
to it.
11th grade, 12th grade.
And Nikita, not
Management.
only the management department to be saying, but in a general life,
Like
this
life
is
in
the
general.
basic
Yeah.
word that we
Yeah.
usually say in day-to-day basis.
I think we all are giving away all the hints. The competition is getting really tough. It's cutthroat now.
It's like a 1 second thingy, like Okay, I'm
I
like
think time is the
1 by
most
1 second.
important player here.
Exactly.
It is quite
Even if
important.
you're correct and you are slow, then also you will lose.
But in this round, particular spellings will matter. What if the spellings, they make a mistakes in spelling?
Yeah, then they'll lose all of them.
Come on, guys, we still have few questions left. People, buckle up.
Another word for
Another word for
compensation.
compensation.
This
I
is the
seriously want to
easiest
give
one.
the hint for this that
No,
there is one thing that we all love. We all love in the first day of a month as an employee.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now I have
Think
given
from
you all
haven't
this.
been through.
Now I
employee
have given all
perspective.
the. Now I have given
Yeah,
all the hints.
we haven't been through it as of now.
And in the end, I would love to make one impression of that thingy, like not a particular of that word.
I think one person among us wrote the wrong spelling with double L. Who was it?
Yeah, I remember. I don't know
Even
the
I
name, but
remember.
And
there
I
was
was
someone.
also the person who wrote it like.
I think it was Muskan only.
It was
Yeah, it
Muskan.
was
Yeah,
me.
double L.
No, I wrote it. No, I was correct. It was हाथों का मैल बाबू भैया सैलरी हाथों का मैल होती है. So I can see Nidhi is still on
Nidhi is
top.
still on top.
Vaishnavi on fourth.
I think Nidhi will go with one of the prizes.
You
I
never
can
know.
bet on it.
So the process
never
of
know.
let's
Kuch bhi
start
ho
with
sakta hai.
attracting, interviewing, selection, hiring, and onboarding employees is.
Okay, I was
Guys, this is literally the first step.
The job.
No, I think it's the second step.
This is the
To
one
be
word. If you
specific.
all have listened to us carefully from the start, this is the word that one of our MC person who said it.
Right.
Or it was me only that who said it, the word.
If they have
That's okay.
listened to
People
you
are smart.
carefully, they may
Yeah,
get
they'll
the
get it.
answer.
As you know
Very
that as Akshat said that तेरी तो कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. We are waiting for you
हम सुन रहे हैं
guys.
मुस्कान, हम सुन रहे हैं.
सुनना पड़ेगा.
Okay, so time's up.
Hands up, guys.
So the answer is recruitment. Nidhi is okay. Niharika is
See,
on
I told you.
top. Aditya is
I
on
told you the
second.
leaderboard
Vaishnavi is
will
on
change.
third.
I still believe Nidhi will win this one.
So this describes the general task or other related duties and responsibilities of a job. Guys, these are two different words, so just don't get confused.
But they are quite simple.
Yeah, it's really basic.
And I can see like how fast our participants are typing and guessing the question.
Exactly.
And when we will see the answer, I am sure that most of them guess it right.
Exactly. Even the people who aren't from the management background.
See,
These
if
are
no
pretty
one,
basic
if
questions.
the person is
These
not
are
from a
general
management
terms.
background,
Yeah.
this event will help you in so many ways that you're going to get to know about how your interviewer are interviewing, what are the things that they are getting in their mind.
Like considering, yeah.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
time's up.
Guys, the answer was job description.
Okay, so Nidhi on the second
I
position.
told you Nidhi will give a comment.
People are really consistent with their efforts, I must say.
True. It is the negative
Guys,
process of HRM as it rejects a lot of candidates.
even I want to like shout the answer because this is literally the first thing we read about this.
It was
It is the
the
type
first
of thing
sentence of
that
a
we
particular
do.
book.
Yeah,
The
even in the
first
boards when we were
sentence of
asked about the differences, this was the first answer I wrote.
I think people are having some queries. Nikita, in the group also. Can you please handle that?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 seconds left.
Guys, don't worry about the things
We will
that went
consider
wrong
you.
in the
We will
previous
consider
question.
you
We'll
during the
consider your
selection.
answers.
Those all have get it wrong by this by that thing. We will consider your name. You can write it your name either on the chat box that you had it correct, or you can message it on the group. So the answer is selection.
Nidhi is on the top.
So the process of measuring the performance of an organization or team through a variety of methods. It can be a tricky one.
I think it's just not about HR.
It's very
obviously. Yeah, just it's about setting the standards.
You can give a hint that people are facing problem in this, Sanskruti. You can give it a hint.
Hint de do.
I almost did. I said standards.
Oh, okay, right.
Guys, it's easy now. Muskan, you can share the letter.
इस राउंड में काफी गड़बड़ी थी बॉस, but I'm glad to see that our participants are smart enough to guess all the garbage. And by the time we are presenting the results, I would like to take the opportunity of inviting our second sponsor, Kadam Colors, to say a few words if he is there. Can someone check that he is there?
If he's there, he can also raise his hand so we can make him the presenter.
Yes. And no problem if he's not there, no problem. I would like our core team, especially as a club core team, to say how they felt about the past 2 rounds. Like Nikita, I can see Nikita here. I can see Sanskruti, our president is here. Nikita, our vice president is here. I can see Agrij. I can see Akshat. I can see Kashish also here. Where are you?
Guys, I think the core team and the organizing team is the only one chit-chatting. If anyone from the participants would like to say something,
yeah, like how
we are open to it.
participants
Yeah.
like the previous rounds also. I can see that they are typing in the group, but you can speak here also if you want.
Yeah, I've given the option for the mics also. So now they can unmute yourself also. But
Now we
I
are open
found
for
this
some
event very
unofficial.
awesome.
Yeah. Now we are open for some unofficial chit chat also for a few minutes. If anyone have any query, if anyone wants to speak something, they can speak it here. And I can see in the group that there are some problem for the question. But
Guys, the hyphen doesn't matter. If you have written it well and good, and if you forgot to write it, we'll still consider your answer if it's job description. Don't worry about it.
Rishikesh, you have to wait for that.
It would be really good if they share their experiences. Our participants.
Yeah.
How do you like this event? Or you can,
like you can share it by the emojis also if you want, or
the reactions also.
The reactions.
If you want to speak, you can.
It was lovely.
Our participants are so active in the WhatsApp group, but they are not active in the chat as well.
One person.
I think people want to say something. Tia, yes, you can go ahead.
Arushi also, you can speak.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
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 Actually, I am from a science background. I am doing BSc Honors Neurosciences from Amity University, Noida. So this event gave me so much knowledge about HR department and all, and everything was new for me because I've never heard about it. So it was great.
That's great.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much.
We are so happy to to listen that that event helped you a lot. And also, if anyone have any query related to in general HR, we are always there to help you. You can ping us anytime you want in the group if you want, or you can also if you want any query, you can also message us. No problem. We have shared the details, and you have the numbers of all of us.
I'm so happy right now that people from other departments and subject are also participating in the HR event. So it makes me very happy.
Exactly. And
So
Aditi,
true.
do you want
It's
to
kind
speak
of
something?
overwhelming.
Yes, and I think even Aditi wants to speak something.
Yeah, Aditi, go ahead.
No problem. I think that she's facing some problem. No problem.
We have three people in the
I
chat.
think people have written few things in the chat box also.
Will you be recruiting by giving any Google form at the end of the event for the first years in the HR club?
Yes, we will. We are thinking, but it will be only for ASB students. If you are from Amity School of Business, we will surely love to have you in our club. As
Yes,
it
I'm
is an institute.
sector only, and I have filled it in the Amazon also, in my Amazon for the HR group.
Okay, sure.
Sure.
You can share your details, or you can message us. One of us in the WhatsApp.
Any of the
We will
admin.
surely do.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone who wants to be the part of HR club, you guys are most welcome.
Only from ASB department, as it is
ASB,
an
yes.
institutional thing. And we are ready for our results. I am so happy to announce our results for the second round. Akshay, please share the slide.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
There's a list of participants.
So Nidhi is on top. Then I can see Niharika. Third is I will fumble on third word. Alagua.
We are really sorry.
And Aditya, I will speak it fast. Aditya, Simran, Rohit, Shruti, Soumya, Dipti, Ayan, Priyanshi, Anjali, Ishita Gupta, Vaishvi Thakur, Mohammad Mehrab Khan. Change the slide, please, Akshay. Thank you. Saurabhi, Sonalika, Rohit Pratap, Rishika, and Mohammad Anis Shami. Congratulations to you all guys for going for the last round. You are let's just close off receiving the winners' prizes. I hope that one of you will win it. And who all are not going for the third round, don't be disheartened again. We are so happy to have you. We are so happy to have you here.
Yes. And we'll have many more such events, and we are really excited for you guys to join those also.
Yes, so true. But we all have a rough idea about the problems an organization can go through in general. But when it comes to practically solving those problems, it's not an easy task.
This is the time to see who all possess problem-solving abilities naturally in them, which is one of the main duties of our HR professionals. Also, guys, we will be getting our ultimate winner after this round.
So buckle up, guys. Jo bhi karna hai, kara, because this round is not going to be an easy one. But I'm sure that you guys are going to rock this one too. I hope you all are now ready for round 3 of this event. Kabhi situation, kabhi solution. This round would comprise of situational questions related to HR, and students need to choose the correct answers among the multiple choice provided. To bring to your notice, only the participants who got qualified in the second round are eligible to play the third round, and based on the leaderboard, top 3 participants will be declared as the winners of this event.
So guys, you have to be fast.
Exactly.
If you want to win, you have to be fast and correct. So we can start our third round. Akshit and or Agril, so you can share the screen if you
I'll
want.
do it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I'm so excited for the last round. Seriously, I'm so excited for the round. So it was so lovely to host everyone. Like they've those who are not qualified for the third round. Please, we are so proud and happy to have you there. It was like a shining star. You were like a shining star. We are so proud. So here is the code. Here's the code. The code is 752223. Will be sharing the link as on the chat box as well on the group. You can join it from there.
They're really quick in joining. 20. We already have 20 participants. 21.
I think we should just confirm the names that we have on the list, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the final round.
I repeat, the code is 752223.
I think we can start it now that we have 24 participants. It will be not good that we can.
I think Muskan, we should first confirm the names. I really feel we should just have the participants who are qualified because it will be unfair to others.
Yeah.
So true. I really wanted to know that if Nidhi is from our college and our department. Like we will love to have her in our club if she's from our department.
Muskan, Aditi has raised her hand. Does she want to say?
Aditi, you want to have any query? I think that she's facing some issue.
Right. Come on, guys, buckle up. We have 27 participants already.
Guys, I think we should start the
We can start now.
round, and Akshat can just make sure that winners are from the names that were on the list itself. Yeah. So the first question is, Muskan, go ahead.
You can speak. Mr. Khanna just got retired from his company. What will he receive? You can speak it from now. I will not take over. How do you think that this question is easy or not?
I think it's pretty easy.
I think it's easy.
Let's see the leaderboard then.
Leaderboard?
I'm excited for the leaderboard.
Priya is on first. Nidhi is still on
Nidhi
second.
is second. Nidhi always is in the top 3.
Yeah. I really wanted to know that if Nidhi is from our department, does anyone have given her a chit or something?
So Mr. Sitar is assigned as the new CEO of Jantar Mantar company in place of Mr. Qatar. What kind of change is it? Guys, it's going to be a little confusing. Yeah, because we have worked on it. Nikita,
and we also did it wrong during our run. Don't.
Yeah.
It was Muskan.
Guys, so don't get disheartened if you get
only,
one or two wrong.
There were a few also, not only me. Come on. There was Nikita also who did it wrong. If I'm not wrong, Hannah, Nikita, you were there.
First is Nidhi.
Nidhi on first.
I'm putting my bet on Nidhi.
Even I'm putting the bet on Nidhi that she's going to get something.
No, वो तो she'll get only.
You're so like. She's so going to get it only. You're so sure.
So Sharma ji ka ladka isn't able to perform his best at the job. What his superior should do? Guys, we all have that one Sharma ji ka ladka.
Wrong. That Sharma ji ka ladka and all, like not even a Sharma ji ka ladka, but Sharma ji ke bacche dekho. We have always us.
Once in our life, we all must have been compared by Sharma ji ka ladka, Sharma ji ki ladki.
I think we have some Sharmas in the house here. So guys.
Oh, sorry. Nidhi Sharma. Okay. Oh God. So Shruti Singhal is on top. We have a change
Ishita
in
also
leaderboard.
seems quite competitive.
Akshit, our participants are quite competitive.
So Mr. X receives instruction from Miss Y. Mr. X is, I think this is pretty confusing for
It's
them.
kind of tricky, I guess. We can say it's a tricky one.
Time's up.
Shruti is on
See,
first. Rishikesh on second.
I knew this is gonna happen. These questions are just way too good.
And also to interrupt you guys,
And
there
the
are
credit goes
some
to
participants.
Sanskriti for this
I'm so
particular
sorry to
question.
interrupt you all. There are few participants who are having the question that there are 20 participants in the 20 people who are going for the qualification round, and how come there are 27? So for you all, we will be tailing the participants list, and then we will be announcing the results.
Guys, we'll only consider the people who were to be part of the top 20. So don't worry. The deserving ones only get the winning prize. Guys, can you take out a little time to appreciate that it was James Bond?
That was a very creative thought, Sanskriti, to be honest.
People were quite confused in this question. I can see like they were orientation training by 11 people.
Oh.
10 people are smart, I must say. Sensitivity training. So, Mr. X is working on the vision and policies of the organization. He's part of which level of management?
I know this.
I
also
know every
know this
answer.
Now you think
Don't you
Because we
remember
only
during the
made the
run through, he
quiz.
was the one on the top.
Yeah, with a bizarre name.
He always have a bizarre name.
Innovative mind.
And I can see
The
Dipti on
leaderboard is
first, Anjali
continuously
second,
changing.
Niharika on fourth, that she have come. Congratulations, Niharika. You're this close to win.
So, identifying and recruiting right person at the right position. What is it?
Yes, I feel this
It can be a process, it can be a community. I don't know.
no.
Yeah, no hint. People are pretty fast.
I can see Anjali on top, Rishikesh on third.
I
And
feel
Nidhi
kind
is
of
on
proud.
second.
The leaderboard is continuously changing.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. As Rishika also said in the previous round, also that it is good to be tipsy leaderboard.
Yeah, it's not predictable now.
Yeah.
What major skill should one have to ace working in a large group? Guys, focus on the word large group.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest hint we can give.
Hint in the question itself.
The most hints we have given in the was the second round.
Because you were
and
you were dictating the question.
See, that was something new that people was going to get.
Right.
Time's up. Oh, I told
Nidhi
you.
on first, Anjali on second, Rishikesh is still on third. Team working skills. Not in a department, in every whether it's an organization, whether it's a team, whether it's something we are doing in a club, or whether it's something we are doing in a small group also. Teamwork, team building, or teamwork is so important.
So guys, next question is, Tom and Jerry have some major personal conflicts. What should they do?
Our famous.
Muskan, what do you think? What should they do? Yeah.
Please don't.
I don't know, but what I know is that the Tom and Jerry cartoon is the favorite cartoon of mine when I was like in a kid. When I was kid, it was my favorite cartoon.
Who was your favorite, Tom or Jerry?
Jerry, obviously.
Jerry. Nidhi is on the top. Again.
Yes.
I think Nidhi will take the prize.
As I said,
You have to put your bet on Nidhi only.
obviously.
And me too.
What training should Miss
fulfill now?
Muskan, go ahead.
What training should Mr. X provide to make his employees stay longer in the company? What do you guys think?
I think this is pretty basic. People will be able to guess it.
We are
You just
not
need
going
to
to
know
show
the meaning of
the
the word.
leaderboard right now. So please unshare the screen. Thank you.
I'm excited. We'll be getting our winner.
Me too.
Okay, so what enthusiasm! I mean, seeing everyone's dedication, I feel that they can all do wonders in this field. Also, अपने skills test करने के मौके बार-बार कहाँ मिलते हैं, guys? Even if you guys had double thoughts about this field, I'm pretty sure that this event has surely fixed all of your doubts.
Exactly. This round was fun as well as informative. I know I enjoyed it. I hope you all did too.
Now, I would like to take this opportunity to call our faculty coordinators and also our lovely faculty members to share how they like about our event.
Nikita, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so at first I would really congratulate all of you to put up while that you have put up such a great show and very well coordinated, and I can see the background and everything all matching up, and more importantly that you have been able to bring a team from students outside the university. That is something which I really appreciate you all for, and it's a great effort, and kudos to all of you. As far as the quiz
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
as far as the quiz part is concerned, I hope the people who have who are not aware of the HR. It was a very basic quiz, not too very difficult. So even if it was not somebody who had any specific idea about the HR, so from that perspective, I think they would also have been able to answer the questions, and they too would have, maybe have been able to enjoy the quiz. Uh, really appreciate students who have come from outside, maybe from other institutions of Amity or from outside the Amity. I hope you had good fun and learning experience together, and we would look forward to your participation with such enthusiasm that you have showed us today, even in future also. So I really congratulate all of you, all the coordinators of the events, and the students who have participated. Thank you all for putting up such a good show. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
So, bye. So, I too really love the event. Does anyone have to say about this as an
I'm more
organizing
excited to
team?
know the quiz first.
Yes.
Everyone is
I'm more
excited. Even
excited
the
to know.
participants who have played in the third round are excited to see that who they win or not. But it will take few minutes for us to also tell you the results.
Okay,
And
guys.
before that,
Before the results are announced, I would request everyone to fill the feedback form, which is being shared in the WhatsApp group.
we will. Yeah, I'm sharing it.
Guys, waiting for your appreciation and suggestions.
If you guys have any doubt or any query, please ask us.
Hi, I missed like the last 5 minutes or so because of some network issues.
If you all
5 minutes of the quiz?
Sorry?
You missed the quiz part or the meeting?
No, like the meeting. I gave the quiz, I attended the whole thing. And now I see there's a form link on the group. So what exactly do we have to do?
You have to fill the feedback form.
Okay, and
It will help us. It will help us in doing more great such events and doing the event and things in more efficient and effectively manner.
Right. Okay, and what about the results? Have they been declared?
No. They are going to get declared.
Oh, thanks.
What do you guys think? Like, while students are filling the feedback form and the organizing team is telling the winner's name, I would really appreciate if some of our members or our organizing team can speak something.
I would like to say something. HR is like one of the fastest growing fields in India today, and I'm so happy to be a part of this club. And I'm so happy that we are performing these quizzes and everything, and we're sharing knowledge about HR.
So true.
Definitely. Guys, those of you don't know, Jasmine is in the first year itself, so we really appreciate her contribution in the team.
Yeah, she was so excited to join. I remember that it was I guess first day in the college, and she called me and said that I really want to join it. And from there only that she's in the first year and she's organizing such events. And I hope that in the next year and then in the future years that she's going to ace it. And I am so excited to share with you all that our winners' names are ready. So we will be sharing and declaring the results with you. We want fun, good drum roll for you all. We are so excited to share the results. Actually, please share the results. So the winner is Nidhi Sharma. Congratulations for being on the first. Second is Anjali Rani, and the third is Dipti Niharika. I really congratulate you all. Nidhi will be receiving the first prize as a tie-dye gift and an initial page design. Anjali will be receiving one painting or a coaster and a gift, and Dipti will be receiving a 25% voucher of Artistics if she wants to purchase something from her shop. She can do that. Congratulations, you all! I'm so happy that you are here.
And all of you will receive the certificates, so just don't worry.
And it's a request to all the winners to share their address to us, to one of our admin on the WhatsApp group, so we can send your gifts to your address.
Yeah, they can
Okay,
share
so
it
one
with the
thing I
event
want to
coordinator.
say here, one thing I would like to just say here for the organizers, and I was actually hearing, though I was a little bit sleepy also, post lunch kind of a thing, and that was on a Saturday, but I did not miss that Sharma ji ka ladka, Sharma ji ke number wala comment. I heard that, but I just really want to tell you one thing here that even Sharma ji ka ladka and ladki had also got this comment from to them that wo dekho Sharma ji ka ladka, wo dekho.
Yes.
So it's not just the others who got the Sharma ji comment. Don't get the Sharma ji's ka ladka ladki also have heard the same comment in the rest, the entire life. So this is with everyone, guys. I would like don't take it the other way, right? So congratulations, Nidhi, congratulations, Anjali, and congratulations, Dipti, for the prizes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now our president,
Thank
Ms.
you.
Sanskriti Tiwari, would love to speak few words about the event.
So can I leave
I'll be
in case?
talking
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
for being there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Sanskriti, now you can speak.
I'm chit-chatting from the starting, but yes, I'd like to thank all of you guys. Indeed, the show was a success. I loved how the event was put up. And but as you all know, the core team and the organizing team are the building blocks of this event. I would like to take this honor to thank our loving faculty, Dr. Divya Goyal ma'am and Dr. Mamta Sharma ma'am, for their continuous guidance and support. The super talented organizing team who have put their day and night into this event. Trust me, guys, we are doing run through for like 3-4 times. So there's a lot of work that goes into the event, and the organizing team wouldn't have done this without our super talented core team who were there to guide and support them throughout the event. And yes, we are together. Like, it's not a core or organizing team. So yes, thank you so much, guys.
And we wouldn't have made this event a success without your guidance and warmth, who cooperated with us with our stupid mistakes and annoying questions. Thank you to our perfect president.
I appreciate
You're
all
most
the
welcome.
participants who took part in this event and congratulate to all of our rank holders. I hope you will all join us for such events further, because ये साथ हमारा यहाँ तक ही नहीं था दोस्तों.
I'm sure they will. To conclude this event, I would like to quote Ralph Ingersoll, "We rise by lifting others," and this is the very motto of HR. Before ending the event, I request you all to follow us on our official Instagram handle as displayed on your screens in order to stay connected with us and to join us for many such brilliant events. Thank you everyone for your attention and cooperation. To end it, I would like to say, stay humble, work hard, and be kind.
Thank you so much for joining
Thank you so
us,
much,
guys. It
guys.
was so
Thank you
lovely
so
to host
much.
you all. We can end the meeting now. And I really want the organizing team to come for the next meeting.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
be sharing the link with you all. Congratulations to the winners again.
Congratulations.
It's our request for the winners to privately message us their address so that we can share the winners' gifts
Also,
to your
guys,
address.
you can just follow our Nexus page on the Instagram app so to get all the notifications and pop-ups of our upcoming events. Thank you so much.
The link for the Instagram in the WhatsApp group. Please go ahead and.
Congratulations for a nice event, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Did
ma'am.
some other things. Congratulations. Did a great job, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No. It's all your efforts. It's all students' effort. I always say that clubs are, it's completely the student-driven activity, and I think it's a learning platform for you people. How you drive an event and how you bring all these things. So very well organized. Congratulations to the whole team.
Thank
Led
you so
by
much,
whom?
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Led by Sanskriti, Muskan, Nikita. Who led the event? I think you
Ma'am,
were. I know you were on
everyone.
the team.
Group effort.
Ma'am, it was a team effort.
Ma'am, it was group effort.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
was everyone who led it.
I know it's
Yes,
really
ma'am.
very nice to see you all. From the beginning, I was just watching you, but as I told you, I was there in another panel session, so that's why I was not little active. But yes, I was there. So thank you so much for such kind of events which you people are organizing, and hope to see that this kind of events keep coming. And when we come to the physical mode, we'll even have better
Definitely, ma'am.
Definitely,
gala
ma'am.
events.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
even as the COVID situation is getting better day by day, we can hope that in the next semester we can put the
No, it
event and
should come. I mean, the college life is altogether different, and especially you people who are now in second year. I mean, you have not seen that campus life altogether. They are missing something very much.
Ma'am, and even we really want to join the college and we really want to enjoy our college life because it's just 3 years and we have missed our 1.5 years in the
Half
in the
of
college.
it is. Your college life
But
is always
after the
longer throughout
exams
your
only.
life.
Well, I'm lucky in this
Yes,
case
ma'am.
because I have
After
four and a
exams.
half years. I have 4.5 years, so I'm lucky.
Yes,
I won't
Nikita
miss
has
much.
time, but still, Nikita,
Yes, ma'am.
still,
Yes, ma'am.
it will be great if you
Still.
people when you are going to come to campus. Okay, then. Thank you. Congratulations to the whole team. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I think, ma'am, you can end this meeting.
And
Ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
I'll do.
Next, Akshit, can you stop recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, I'm sharing the link for the meeting. You can